Imagine waking up surrounded by vineyards, with views that stretch beyond the valley, and calling this your everyday view. We're in the heart of Oregon wine country, where the vineyards roll for miles and homes like this redefine luxury living. But what does $4 million actually buy you out here? I'm Lacey Williams, your local Westland real estate advisor, and today I'm going to take you inside this stunning $4 million vineyard nestled in the heart of the Dundee Hills. This is Big Fir Lane. The moment you step through these doors, you're greeted by sweeping vineyard and valley views framed perfectly by floor-to-ceiling, black-framed windows, which are very trendy right now, but also garner a timeless look that is universally appealing to buyers. This 6,500 square foot home sitting on 15 acres with 7 acres of newly planted vines has the kind of entrance that stops you in your tracks and sets the tone for everything that follows. Every detail was thoughtfully designed during the renovation and new construction by award-winning Street of Dreams builder, Elite Development Northwest. Every inch of this home has been designed with intention, from the custom wood beams overhead to the rich cabinetry, built-ins, and statement stone fireplaces. Each detail feels handcrafted, warm, and timeless. High-end lighting ties it all together, giving the entire space that elevated glow you can only find in a true custom build. The gourmet kitchen is a showpiece wrapped in warm wood tones, timeless quartz counters, and anchored by a stunning glass-enclosed wine cellar that feels right at home in Oregon wine country. There's a spacious walk-in pantry, and every element here is built for both style and function. The primary suite is pure luxury, with vaulted ceilings, a cozy stone fireplace, and private vineyard views that make every morning feel like a retreat. The spa-inspired bathroom features premium finishes and a layout that feels both elegant and restorative, and the standalone tub makes slow mornings more tempting here in wine country. You'll also find a secondary ensuite on the main level, a generous loft, and a large bonus room, each space offering flexibility for guests, work, or play. Downstairs, the expansive basement provides room for additional storage or even another wine or root cellar. And then there's the outdoor living space, an entertainer's dream. Step out through the Anderson sliders onto a spacious deck and paver patios surrounded by panoramic vineyard views. With a stone fireplace, established olive tree, and space to gather, it's the perfect place to unwind as the sun sets over wine country. This fully fenced estate also features a dedicated garden area, a fenced pet run, and even a custom-built dog wash. This home is more than just $4 million of real estate, it's the Oregon wine country lifestyle redefined. So now that you've seen inside what $4 million buys you in Oregon wine country, and honestly, it's even better in person. The views, the craftsmanship, the feeling of peace that comes with having your own private vineyard retreat. There's nothing quite like it. If this home, or the lifestyle it represents, speaks to you, I'd love to help you explore what's available here in Oregon. Whether you're dreaming of a private estate, a vineyard property, or simply a home surrounded by beauty, I'm here to make it happen. I'm Lacey Williams, your Oregon real estate advisor with Cascade, Hasson, Sotheby's International Realty. Reach out anytime, and let's find your piece of Oregon luxury.